Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by establishing a sterile zone and moving quickly. First, disinfect the work surface and put on gloves. Do this now so you don't contaminate the membrane. Once done, open the outer pouch by peeling along the sealed edge, hold the pack away from the sterile field, and expose only a small corner. Make sure to keep the membrane oriented flat. This prevents wrinkles and creases that will compromise filtration later. You now extract the membrane using sterile forceps. Grip only the rim or punched edge. Move slowly and lift straight up. If you tilt or bend the membrane, you introduce folds that trap air and block flow. Once free, transfer it to a sterile support or Petri dish, holding it just above the surface to avoid contact. If adhesion occurs, add a tiny sterile buffer drop at the perimeter to ease separation while preserving the filter matrix. You finish by seating the membrane flat into the filter holder, aligning the center and smoothing any residual tension with forceps. Make sure the support ring is clean and the membrane lies wrinkle-free. This ensures even flow and accurate results. Once clamped, run a quick rinse to confirm uniform wetting. If you spot bubbles, folds, or uneven flow, stop, remove, and inspect the membrane, and replace it if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.